Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of driver cannot load on this Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to settings. So you can right click on the Windows icon and from the menu go to setting, or simply from the start menu type setting and open the application. The shortcut is to click Window plus I to directly open the application. After that, scroll below and go to Windows Update. Click on Check for updates, and if there is availability of any update in your device, do update the Windows. Once this has been checked, also go to Advanced option. Here in the Advanced option, you will see the option of Optional Update. Click on it, and if you see any optional update in your device, click on Download and Install. After that, head towards Setting again, go to Privacy and Security, and at the top, click on Windows Security. Go to Device Security, and there you will see the option of Core Isolation. Click on the details of Core Isolation and make sure memory integrity is turned off. And that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to fix the issue with driver not loading in this device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.